Hi, it's Nick at Jordan Bikes. We've been getting some gorgeous bikes in lately and this one is no exception. It's a GSXR750 L5. 2015 65 plate. It's done just 1,015 miles from new. We're travelling up and down the country at the moment, specifically looking for bikes with really low mileage, and we've been quite lucky in getting a few of them, but we are having to work hard to get them. So 65 plate. It's got a few nice extras as well. It's got a Yoshimura R11 carbon exhaust. I'll start it up in a minute. It's got some ASV levers and it's got the rear seat cowl plus the rear seat. You used to get the cowl and the seat as standard on Suzuki in the olden days, but nowadays you only get a seat. This cowl costs you money. Anyway, I'll crack it up so you can hear it. There you go. Why would you buy a new one when this has done 1,015 miles? Anyway, it's all yours for £7,790. What more could you want? There you go. Cheers.